you are going to be hard-pressed to find more features and amenities inside of a travel trailer this weight class, this length, than you will with the Jayco White Hawk line of RVs. What's up? It's Chris Young talking about them jamming Jaycos, and I'm going to kick you off right with one that's 29 feet 2 inches long, roughly 5,600 pounds dry, can sleep 7, and starts at $37,995 or as low as $9.10 a day. If you know Jayco, like you know Jayco, then you know that they make some really good RVs, and they price them right, they have quality construction, and they make them to really extend your camping season. For 2021, you get updated features, updated graphics, updated amenities that you really are going to be hard-pressed to find in like campers across the marketplace. This one, being the 24 MBH, is a 30-foot, well, 29 feet 2 inches long, bunkhouse model. And since it is Jayco, you're going to get the upgraded bunks, meaning you get the thicker Teddy Bear Bunk Series style mattress and more weight. This is a campsite double over double bunk. You got 600-pound max capacity on these. You could easily get 2 adults. And down here on the base bunk, you got the fold-up storage with a little suspension net. So if you want to put your bags, whatever, you could. But if you notice back there, Kev, I don't know if you can see, you see how we have the tie downs back there in the back? So if you want to put your bikes, you know, whatever, you could put them there and tie them down. That's a pretty cool little feature, man. I mean, you won't find that. Plus, you got the little latch right here when you're ready to set it up. You just, you know, hook that in, and it'll stay up for you. But Jayco knew that when they were making bunks, that not only are they used for kids, adults sometimes need to use them. And with the doubles, sometimes you gotta have the weight and the space for 2 people. I mean, this one will sleep 7 people extremely comfortably. So they're not always going to be kids up here. That's why they increase the weight. Same thing with the roof. You'll notice that we have these barrel ceilings, these arch ceilings. This has the Magnum Truss roof system, which is another thing Jayco's known for. Stronger roof, fully walkable, super enclosed, just like the underbelly, which I'll talk a little bit outside, enclosed and heated. You got residential style slip-resistant flooring, carpetless slide, and I love how they made the slide match the floor. It really opens up the space inside, and it gives you the perception of having a larger living area. Not only that, it looks better, and this looks like it's part of my home, which is what your RV is. Gonna come over here to the off-campsite bathroom. Got my porcelain bowl with the foot flush. Got plenty of space. I got this extra long shelf right here, which goes all the way past the shower. And I mean, I could see putting towels and stuff like that in here, maybe washcloths, storage stuff, or if I'm using this as a hunting or a fishing cabin, just, you know, kind of stacking my stuff up there. But I don't understand why it goes all the way to the back. I dig it, but I don't know why they did it. That's why they're there, and I'm here too, because they're a lot smarter than me. They know math, I don't. Got the undermounted sink right here with this beautiful solid surface top. Brushed nickel fixtures going all the way around. And since the sink is undermounted, you don't have to worry about that seal up top getting dirty and rotting on you. You got the LED backlit medicine cabinet. You like how I did that, Kev? I just opened it up so you couldn't see what's inside there. That's what you get for doing all those cookie pranks on me, Kev. Got the neo-angled shower in here. Walk in. Look at the space that we have. Got that domed skylight. That's another feature I've started seeing a lot more for 2021. They have a raised dome skylight insert into the bathroom, which really gives you more headroom, but more importantly that, it gives you more room in general. A lot of times the skylights are just like, they're not raised, they're just boom, they're just right there. So having that's a very nice touch. No pressure, I'm not cramped left or right. Plus you got the glass enclosure right here. Got my hangers right there, my towel rack, my other towel rack, which I almost need to hold on to, stepping on that winterization fluid. That stuff is slick. Come out here on the campsite, check out my beautiful pantry. Now, with Jayco, these can be either pantry or additional ward. I like how they give you the option of doing both. You can move the shelves out easily. They're not bolted down. So if you do want to use this for additional equipment, skiing equipment, whatever, boom, you can put it there. Got the decorative wood paneling on my large fridge, which is, you know, it runs on both gas and electric. We have the fridge freezer combo right there. Got the flush mounted Furion microwave right here. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover and the grill style grate. LED backlit right there. Got my oven. Solid surface countertops too. I love these. Not only are they decorative, I don't know if you can see on the camera. Kev, pull that. See if you can get in there and kind of see the texture, Kev. Look at the texture that's there. It's iridescent, I guess is a good way to put it, but it looks almost 3D. Almost like, yeah. You got the undermounted farmhouse style sink, 50-50 split with the pull down sprayer, pop-up charge station, beautiful decorative backsplash too, and light on dark accents. I love how they put the light with the dark. Beautiful rustic. I feel like I'm in a cabin, but I have frosted glass inlays and dark accents and features going around, which just makes it more appealing. That's what people said they wanted for 2021. They wanted darker furniture, lighter accents. So you get things like these beautiful wood inlays on the slide. You get the faux leather on the wood valances going around your panoramic windows, which are also reinforced by wood paneling around, which gives you additional support, and it just looks nice. It looks more like a cabin, so that when you pull the curtains down, or you pull the, see, it just kind of flows better when you have that wood accent around. You got the distressed rustic wood table, and this one has the ottoman on it. So seat, but also doubles as an ottoman, giving you more storage. Just, you know, cool little things that Jayco does with their White Hawk series. So this one starts at $37,995 or as low as $9.10 a day. So we're up here in the Pacific Northwest. Let me just wax poetic on you here for a second. And I challenged my production crew to find Sasquatch, because I know he's here. He probably owns one of these awesome breweries that's up here in this area. Love the Pacific Northwest. And I said, you know what, here's what we're going to do. While we're filming all these beautiful RVs for the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, I want you guys to find Sasquatch. Well, one of the guys in the production crew looks like Sasquatch. So every time he comes by the window, I can't help but laugh at his Sasquatchian face. Over here, we got a corner-mounted entertainment center with the LED TV, more storage. My IRV Technologies AM/FM command center with CD, DVD. It's Bluetooth. You can control it from your phone. But check out my InnoFlame backlit fireplace. Yes, sir. I love it. Multiple flame settings. You got roughly 4,800 BTUs of heat coming off there. It's 4777. But the blower, and I wish you could feel this, does a good job of knocking the chill off the air. So if you go to the lake, you go to the mountains, you're up here in the Pacific Northwest, that's going to do a great job of knocking the chill off the air. I mean, you got a 25,000 BTU furnace in here. You got the 15,000 BTU AC with the quick cool, and you got the solar charge controller already built in. This comes pre-wired for solar. You even get the decorative clock right there. Time is way off. And when it comes time to separate the space, you got your privacy curtain. Now, this 24 MBH is a family RV built to sleep 7. But if you're looking for true separation of space in the sleeping areas, probably not the one for you, because all you have is the curtain. I got my plush, comfortable Jackknife Sofa right here, which when I'm sitting down reconnecting with my loved ones, or I'm watching my friends outside, having fun, playing games, playing all the cornholes, you can do that here. You can kick this out, comes into a sleeper. My kids love these, the arm cushions, because they're able to just grab them and use them as pillows. They put them as backrests. My wife does sometimes when she's, you know, not having that great of a back day. And I mean, it's just versatile. It's just another step of adding that versatility. Plus, we got the molded edges over here on my storage. I got ward storage right here. Dual USB charging, power port. And yes, this does fold down into a bed. A little extension there, my drawers. I mean, there's just so many great options to these White Hawks. And check out how easy it is to get the bed down. Now, this is a 60 by 80 queen size bed with the lights, and yes, a privacy window right there in the end cap with its own molded faux leatherette cover. Imagine with your loved one pulling up, having your coffee, sipping your tea, watching the sunrise with your loved ones, maybe snacking on your Girl Scout cookies. Oh wait, you can't, because Kevin ate them all. And all of this can be yours, starting at $37,995 or as low as $9.10 a day during the Ultimate RV Show National Tour. This is the Jayco White Hawk 24 MBH. Sleep 7, got the solid step-over steps coming outside, roughly 5,600 pounds dry, 29 feet, 2 inches long, beautiful fiberglass siding on this one. You got the seamless windows. Look at those rugged marine-grade speakers that we have outside for my dual zone entertainment. Love that because it just looks uber cool. Got the LED light strip on the 18-foot awning. And Jayco says it. We have the industry best outdoor kitchen on all of our RVs. And they do. They really do. You got the metal. You got the Capital Grill. You got the little cleaning area, the cutting board with the additional storage, sprayer. Got my fridge for my outdoor bourbon, because we gotta have it. You gotta have that 3-finger pour when you get your outdoor bourbon. Solid ladder going over the top, spare tire on the back, backup camera. Look, there are so many features that we just will not be able to get to during the Ultimate RV Show National Tour. That's why we got people standing by to help you out. If you like this White Hawk 24 MBH starting at $37,995 or as low as $9.10 a day, get it now, because those prices are not going to last. The show is, this price is only good during the show. So drop me a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. Now if you say, Chris, I love it. I need a double axle RV. I need one with the heated and enclosed underbelly, but I don't need bunks. Okay. Text FRESH to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, FRESH. We got over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming and over 20,000 already on the lots at over 163 locations nationwide. We got something ready for you. But if you want to see some more Jaycos, we got a ton of them, not only on the lots and online, but coming up next with the Ultimate RV Show National Tour as we continue. Now, if you will please excuse me, I got to go see a man about eating my cookies when I told him not to.